What's poppin' YouTube? It's Larry Valley the mechanic, and I'm back again to do a video on a front suspension overhaul. I'm going to be doing a 2004 Mustang GT, shock absorbers, N-bar links, and ball joints. I also wanted to do the sway bar bushings, but it's not my car, so pretty much just gonna go ahead and do that, get rid of this clunking and shitty noises coming from the vehicle. So let's get started. Shock absorber sounds like crap. Blown out ball joints. Here's the replacement parts for both sides. The shock absorbers, an upgraded version of the end links, and just some basic Duralast ball joints. Brake pads are pretty low. I'm gonna measure the brake pads and measure the rotors.
Yesterday.
So if you don't have a vice grip, you're going to need somebody to possibly help you, or get a pair of locking pliers and then another pair of pliers and an impact. That thread has to be lined up with the strut. Put the shock tower on. And line it up. That. Before you bolt it on. Just a new nut. It's an old one. Start it by hand. Make sure it's lined up before you do your final torque. Stop. So the next thing to do is take off the old shock absorber mount, reuse it for the new shock absorber. Just as long as the rubber's not cracked, the hardened rubber bushing's not cracked, or it's not blown out, safe to use. Save some money. Then after that, gonna take out the ball joint completely from the steering knuckle and then reseat the new one in with the brass hammer. Don't use the steel hammer, you can damage the steel and you can mess the ball joint up. Hitting a steel surface with a brass hammer is less likely to damage it. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything back up, put some new brake pads in, and then just get started with the next side. Almost in. Almost in. they don't need you fresh out the county. My girl swoop me up and then we light up, cause we don't give a fuck. Your gangsters up front, snorting all your money like a chump. Snorting all your money like, and act like they don't need you fresh out the county. My girl swoop me up and then we light up, cause we don't give a fuck. Your gangsters up front, snorting all your money like a chump. Snorting all your money like a fuck. Smoking Mary Jane while I'm bumping Taylor Kane. Daylight running lights when it's